I'm Tim, this is Cindy, my wife, and this is Poppy. Welcome to our Western North Carolina home. Come on in.
Well, we chose this plan from the house designers. We originally had looked at another building option, but it just became out of reach. And so Tim, sensing my frustration, he started doing an internet search, and he would call me to the basement and say, "Look at this design." He said, "Come on down, I think I found the one." And so when I took a peek at it, it was perfect. I just instantly knew that that would be the house that we would build. It ticked off all the boxes. It was open concept. There was a lot of windows to let the light and nature in. Just had so many great qualities that we just knew immediately.
We were looking to build our forever home and looking at websites and how many homes and houses they offered. It just seemed silly that we shouldn't be able to build the house that we actually wanted. When I called Going Green Builders, they almost immediately called me back. So I was able to view some of the homes that they had built in the area and was satisfied with their work. They had a great crew to work with. We just got to know those guys well, responsive, and I could compare them to other builders that I saw in our area, actually in our community.
We purchased our stove and dishwasher and microwave/speed oven from Bosch. And the reason we chose Bosch was, of course, number one, I just love the sleek look. And so we had Bosch appliances in Wisconsin at our previous home and just found them to be very reliable. And so we did purchase actually the exact same dishwasher that we had. And we've just been very happy with all of those appliances. We chose Kraus for both our faucet and our sink, mainly because it's just engineered very well. And also I love the industrial look of it. I just like to have little pieces of that in the house. Secondly, the sprayer is just very forceful, so you can really rinse your dishes well after eating. So yes, we're just very pleased with both of those items. The reason that we went with the GE Cafe series refrigerator freezer was twofold. One, I just love the design. It's just very clean and sleek, and I think it looks very, very good in a modern home such as ours. And then secondly, there was a lot of features that I thought would be great for our purposes. And the first one is this drawer here that can be altered to be a freezer or part of the refrigerator, depending on what you want to store in there. And then in the freezer area, we tend to lose small items down in the bottom when there are only baskets. And so this refrigerator freezer has several drawers that you can put smaller items in. And so I just thought that that would be extremely helpful as well. We made several modifications to the blueprint. Our kitchen, not being real large, didn't allow us to put a lot of cabinetry in. So we looked at the plans and decided to build in a pantry underneath the stairs.
One other one was we needed garage space, and we expanded the garage, converted 1/3 of it into sort of a recreation exercise area.
First of all, I have to say that every room is my favorite room, but if I had to narrow it down, I would say it's our master suite. The reason it's my favorite is because of all the windows and the natural light that it allows in. And the other thing is just that it's one large entire suite. We feel like we're separated from the house, so it's private, it's quiet.
We love this outdoor space. We're nature lovers and we love coming out here in the morning for coffee or in the evening for a drink. Just love being outside and enjoying not only the views of the trees, etc., but it's always good to take a look at the windows. Just love this view. One of the biggest decisions we had to make was who our window supplier would be, and Pella has phenomenal brand recognition. I spent my career in the woodworking industry, wood products specifically, and I knew back then they had extremely high quality controls and expectations from their vendors. We chose to go with Astria brand for our gas fireplace. Great brand, it's very functional, and most winter days we wake up and just flip that on for the first hour of the day, and as soon as the sun comes through the windows, we can shut it off, and that's really the only source of heat we'll run in the winter time. We chose the MSI brand of tile. This is the Toledo maple style, very durable, and it's very easy to work with. I knew right away that it was a very good tile we were working with. I actually have two favorite areas in the house. This being the loft bedroom. It just has killer views. Everywhere you sit or stand or lay down in this bedroom, you get to see the gorgeous colors. The spaciousness of the room is great as well. And it's a grandkid's favorite. They love coming up here. They think it's explore time. They get to look over the loft. It gives you a sense of all the windows in the house. I mean, the amount of windows we have in the house literally cuts down on our heating bills. And you could feel the heat up here now, and we just don't run anything up here, so it was a good move altogether. We chose to use Glidden paint. Very easy to work with, great coverage, and very economical to use.
And the Glidden color that we chose is oatmeal for the majority of the house. And the oatmeal color it's nice and clean. I love white, but it just felt a bit too stark in the home. And so the oatmeal color brought some warmth into the space, and I think it looks real good with the outdoor views that we have.
For our siding, we chose to go with LP Smart siding. I just thought that cedar would be too costly and very hard to maintain. I know this product well. I actually lived a couple of miles from the plant in northern Wisconsin, and I know it's a very important part of their community there. It is technically real wood, so it finished like real wood, and it's very durable, very easy to work with.
So the most exciting part for me was when I was walking down the driveway and saw the crane lifting the trusses for the roof line onto our home. It just brought the whole plan to life. I'm more of a visual person, so it looks great on paper, but in real life it looked even better, and that was just a great moment for me. What I would recommend to anyone that's building a home is to use the binder that the house designers provides you. At least one person needs to be keeping track of the details, such as payments, invoices, keeping warranties, and all of that.
And my advice would be, in retrospect, is just to have fun with it. It can get stressful. It did get stressful, but how many chances are you going to have to build your own home? Probably 1, 2 at the most. So just have fun with it, and it will get done. It will get done. That's what I can advise.